What's up YouTube? So making a quick video for you here. I have a BMW 2002. This really works for, well, it's a BMW X5 2002. This really works for most E53s. This works for a lot of cars actually. A lot of BMWs have this function. So what I want to show you here, guys, the reason, so for example, what happened with this vehicle, the battery died, batteries replaced, and the radio didn't work. So obviously, I would recommend checking your fuses, and if your fuses are all good for the radio, the one thing that a lot of people overlook and don't realize, you do have to have a tool to do this. So in my case, I'm using a Durametric, and what you need to do is somehow communicate with the radio. So once you communicate with the radio, what you have to do, so in my case, for example, I scroll over to the files, and in particular I'm looking for the radio. So I open up the radio, and what you want to do is go to activations. Now the best thing to do is obviously make sure the car's ignition is on and the car is not running. But what's important here, so ignition on, not running, okay? What you want to make sure is transport mode. What the computer will do if the battery dies oftentimes is put the car into transport mode, so that way it saves battery, doesn't draw since it knows the battery is low. So what you need to do is, after replacing the battery, you need to turn transport mode off. So what you're gonna do is press start, and I already did that, so I'm not gonna do it again. But what that does is it'll take the car out of transport mode, and that should make your radio work again. All right, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, guys. This will help me. Don't even have to like the video. Please subscribe. If you like the video, great, thank you. And I greatly appreciate all your help, guys, with the subscribes and likes. Thanks for watching.